Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we are going to unbox in my opinion, very special, if not the most special model on my channel ever. It's, of course, as you can see, the Scoot 787-9 Pokemon livery, or Pokemon Air Adventures as they call it, with the registration 9B-OJJ. This is the box. Yeah, pretty colorful, pretty yellow. You can see Pokemons like Pikachu, some other Pokemons that I don't know. And yeah, this is the back with a huge Pikachu, Boeing 787, and the airplane model. Actually, I think this is a model that will get insanely rare in the future, like, well, insanely rare. I mean, it will get rare, that's for sure. It's very popular, I think. I even got the last one from Arcunia, like I really had to rush. They were sold out pretty quickly. Also from my local dealer in Switzerland, they were sold out quickly. And I saw some images already, like real life images of the model, and also of the plane, of course, but of the model. And I have to say, the print looks fabulous. Like the print job is amazing, and even now I can see it already. It looks, wow, it looks stunning. Wow, let me put the model to the side. The box, this model is definitely something that I will or should put on my stand. I think it's a phenomenal model, or it looks just special and cool in my opinion. Oops, don't break the box. Don't break it. That would be a shame if I break the box. Phoenix really has to... did I break something now? No, I hope not, no. Phoenix really has to work on their box game a bit. They're a bit tedious to open. And this is the model, guys. Wow. Look at that. The print is amazing. I think the colors look also really great of this Scoot. I always want to say it's a bit on the darker side, but I think it's still good enough, let's say it like this. And yeah, I would say let's go straight to the zoom part. I think let's see in the zoom part how this model looks like, but I feel like it looks amazing, really amazing. And yes, it looks really detailed. It's amazing, really. Nose with the, sorry for the shaking, it's my table. Nose with, I think this looks like the name of the airplane, some flowers. Balloon with Pikachu and more balloons. Another Pokemon, I don't know this Pokemon, the word or the name of it in English. And we have other Pokemons. We have a ton of Pokemons, that's super cool. And we have the Pokeball on the engine. We have the, I think it's a Wi-Fi box, I'm not too sure, in gray. That's interesting, I've never seen it in gray actually. Yeah, the engine looks fabulous. I think Phoenix has a very good mold, that's why I've only bought Phoenix models so far and not any other brand. That's a little secret, let's say. Pokemon and emergency exit door. Scoot. Yeah, Scoot is a low-cost carrier from Singapore. It's like a... Is it like a daughter company of Singapore Airlines? I'm not sure actually if it is. I would have to look it up. But yeah, this model, I think this is the first model I will spend the same time for the other side. Here we have stars, Pikachu balloons, some other Pokemons, or let's say more or less the same, but it looks stunning. Like the details are amazing. Like I was blown away already when I saw the photo of it on the arcunia.com web site, but in real life now it looks stunning. It really looks stunning. Here from the front, as you can see, the engine, Pokemon, everything. That's a stunning model. That's a really stunning model. Let's see the belly. What is there? Okay, we have the fly scoot, and we even have a little Pokemon stickers. Let's see if I can show that to you. Flyscoot.com. We have the gear. And of course we have the antennas here and in the front. No antenna here in the front, but of course in the back. Here. And let's enjoy the view of the back. I think usually the back is not that interesting, but hey guys, this model is stunning, like for real. I was a bit, to be honest, I was a bit disappointed with the A330-Air 800 Neo from Greenland. I mean, it looks nice, don't worry, but this model now is insane. Like, if this doesn't become rare in the future, I don't know. It looks so beautiful. Like, I could look at this for a good 10 or 15 minutes more. But since you are watching this on YouTube, you can pause and see and check out the details, because the quality of the video should be really, really good. Yeah. I would consider this in my collection maybe as my top, I would say top 3 models for sure, due to rarity, due to how it looks. I'm really happy actually that it was actually a bit my girlfriend that pushed me to get this model. I think I would have not gotten it actually. That's actually interesting. Like, she urged me to get it and I was like, okay, come on, let's buy some more models again after 2 years, and this is stunning. The price that I paid for this one is €45.41. That's the price. I think for the, I mean, yeah, it's not the cheapest model, but I think it looks great. It looks very, very good. Like I said, I can only repeat myself. The details are amazing. Colors look really, really good. The print is phenomenal, and mold as usual, as good as usual. Let's say it like that. Thank you for watching. This was it, and we'll see you soon again in the next video. Your Phoenix Models Reviews.